Hey there, it's Julia Harriet here. I'm standing in my backyard, listening to the beautiful sounds of nature. And I'm thinking spring is right around the corner. One of my favorite parts about spring and summer and fall and even some winter evenings is having a wonderful fire in my backyard, sharing it with friends, and having a wonderful beverage and some laughter and storytelling. And, here I am. I'm in this most beautiful part of the world in the Pacific Northwest, where we have so much woods to share. But I did not have a very good fire pit space. In fact, it was just kind of a spot we had cleared roughly in the dirt. But it didn't really reflect how much I love having and sharing, a fire with friends. So I thought, you know what? I want to build a patio, a space that is more stable and more attractive and inviting and intentional to bring my friends to and to share. And so I started looking into it, and I have found a really fun way of doing so. Really, you can do it in a weekend. I suggest getting your friends to come and help, as I did. And I want to show you some tips, because there are things to definitely not cut corners on in this process, as someone who had never built a patio out of brick before. And so I hope you enjoy this video, and like I said, there'll be more tips to come in the following video as to how to actually lay the patio, but this is how to prep it. So Craig, what are you doing right now?
I'm just gonna use this to find the center point of our fire pit and put it in there. It's gonna hang down. We're gonna go out 4.5 feet because we want a 9 foot diameter fire pit.
Yeah.
And not fire pit, excuse me, patio for fire pit. And then we're just going to come around here like this. One of us is gonna hold this, the other one's gonna go out here and just spray paint the diameter.
I'm a hot dog.
Video this part.
We're gonna video this part.
Because it's gonna be so cheeseball.
This is what America wants.
I want you to hold that straight, and then, okay, so we want 9 feet, and half of that is what?
4.5.
4.5. 4 feet 5 inches. Just kidding. 4 feet 6 inches.
Oh, I like the tape.
Now we'll just help it keep.
Yeah.
4 feet 6 inches. And I'm going to grab my little hammer here because we don't have any spray paint, evidently. And we're going to go like this. Okay. This is kind of goofy, but this is how we're doing it.
Okay.
It's gonna work just fine for what we're doing. You can always clean up the circle later. Like I said, when it's to give us a rough spot.
How am I holding the pole?
You've done this before, haven't you?
Yes.
Yeah, I can tell. It's good. It's great.
Now look at this dirt, Craig. This is some good looking dirt.
This is some good looking dirt. Let's, we're gonna repurpose this dirt, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We're gonna crush my kid's dreams and fill in his cup.
Sorry, kid.
Yeah.
No more sand pit for you.
No.
Once the cat started pooping in it, I think that was the decision right there.
Yeah, well, that pretty much is a deal breaker.
The cats are going to be madder than Doc.
Yeah.
It's going to be like, what the happened to my sandbox? How about this shot of my ass?
It looks good, especially my head's right over it.
Keep holding the pole. It's kind of cheesy, but it's working. It'll work.
No, it's looking really good.
It's an idea.
We're building a circle.
We are building a circle. Pretty sure this is how Stonehenge was done.
I think so too.
Get this grass out of here. Don't want the grass.
Why, Craig?
What's that?
Why do we not want grass?
Well, because it's going to break down and it'll decompose and it'll sink. Eventually, stuff might sink. So you want to get things out.
Are we trying to keep this round here? Or?
Yeah,
No,
we're
round.
Round, baby.
Okay, well, this is all.
Are you guys going to put a landscape fabric down to keep the weeds from growing up between the bricks?
No.
Rough.
Why not?
We heard that that's bullshit.
No.
Yeah. No.
You just use pesticides and stuff. And
Yeah. Roundup.
Roundup, yeah. I love Roundup.
Yeah, we're going to talk about Roundup in this vid.
It's underrated. It works so well.
Yeah, I like to sniff it and snort it.
Oh,
I smoke it. I put it on my pot. And
Bigger? Oh, yeah. Well, we're going to screen. I thought you were just going to check it first.
well, we just whoop it around.
Yeah,
That is pretty easy.
damn, it's close.
Yeah. Once you get there, we'll just spin around.
It's high on John's side, though.
Yeah, it does.
I used to do this with my stepdad. It was so fun.
Clean up this part here.
Oh, yeah.
Also, look, we're going to need to tamp soon because sometimes you got to use what you got.
We're a little high on this side, but that makes sense.
Yeah, you do some work over there. How much stuff you want?
Working on
That
the
looks
chain.
very compacted.
Yeah.
Cost me $4 for 2x4. $34 for the 4-foot level. And only about 25 cents worth of tape. Bam. All right, we got our plot very close to level, nice round circle. We're liking the looks of it so far. We're gonna take our screen with our level on it. We're gonna check it one more time, bring some dirt around, move it around with the rake. Then we're gonna use a compact gas-powered tamper, and it's gonna pack that down so it's nice and solid. Check it one more time before we put our gravel on. And then we're gonna get that nice and level and tamp that down too. It's gonna be a great base. Yeah, I know, it's still just really low over there. Is what the deal is.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see that. You can see. Hold on.
You can see it from there, and it's low back there, so it's like this whole corner is low.
Oh, I'll go get some more gravel.
It was such a pleasure to have you join us as we prepped for our patio. Please come back. You got to see what happens when we start laying the bricks because it is pretty fun and the outcome is super gorgeous. And I can't wait for you to build your own patio and have friends over in your backyard. It's gonna be amazing. So come back next week, subscribe, come join the fun. We're just gonna keep building all sorts of great things. Thanks so much. Bye.